Beetroot is a delicious and nutritious vegetable in the world. Beetroot cultivation is the best business for farmers because it's easy and more profitable business with less labor and less cost. Beetroot vegetable is in great demand in the market with its many medical benefits. Beetroot every part of is useful. Beetroot farming is a viable option for both home and commercial growers. Optimum profits can be made by the cultivator due to its demand and medicinal benefits. Beetroot is best known for its antioxidants and its cancer-curing qualities. It is very easy to cultivate and is one of most grown vegetable in the world. Today in this video we will try to explain the method of beetroot cultivation and its advantages and disadvantages. Beetroot can be grown all around the year under cool circumstances for optimum cultivation. However, overexposure to cold temperatures can lead to further problems in cultivation such as slow growth. Generally, beetroot can be grown on many types of soils. However, loamy soil is considered the best out of all the varieties. Anything between 6.3 to 7.5 pH levels is considered good for growing beetroots. Too much acidic soil is not good for beetroot cultivation. Beetroot farming is mostly done through seeds. Seeds are sown at a depth of 1.5 to 2 centimeters and at a distance of 6 to 7 centimeters are kept between them. Each row should have a minimum distance of 35 centimeters between them. Mostly, farming starts between mid of April and mid of July. However, might vary from place to place due to different climatic conditions prevailing in those places. Constant watering should be done for an effective and efficient cultivation of beetroots. It takes around 15 days before the seedlings will start to appear above ground. When the seedlings reach a height of around 4 centimeters, thinning is required, i.e. removal of weak seedlings, and a distance of 8 to 10 centimeters is to be maintained between each seedling. The plant at its maturity reaches a height of 8 to 9 centimeters and takes around 2 months to do so. Use organic fertilizer to grow beetroot. The fertilizer should be applied round each plant. You can use more of manure containing nitrogen at the beginning such as chicken dung. Beetroot are good feeders and will require adequate nutrient to grow well. Weeds hampers and decreases beetroot yield and hence should be kept in control. Frequent shallow hoeing should be practiced to keep a check on weeds. Mostly beetroot is free from any kinds of pests or disease. However, the most common one found is leaf spot. Rotation of crops between beetroot cultivation and other cultivation in the same garden can be a way to overcome this disease. First harvesting begins when beetroot reaches around 9 weeks into the cultivation cycle. At this stage the bulbs reach a size of 1 inch in diameter and are mostly used for preparing salads because of its tenderness. Rest of the cultivation grows further and reaches full maturity of 3 inches in diameter. At this stage all of the cultivation is harvested and stored. If the growth is allowed any further, the beetroots becomes woody and loses its taste. Another way to find out if the beetroot has fully matured or not is when the foliage or the top part of the beetroot starts to falter.